learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Lim Zap Siu, Joseph Lin, teaching you English.
No， 是教客家话。
Yeah. I got this whole thing wrong. I'm teaching you Hakka. I'm translating it in English, okay? Here we go. We're going to teach you some terms that are practical you can use every day. And Alice, 今天呢，我们再找一个日常生活中会常碰到的东西。我们看看好了，我们就举一反三好了。看到这个房间里面有什么？
报纸。
好，报纸，纸。好，我们就来教纸好了。
好。
Let's teach you terms that are related to paper. For instance, Alice just saw a stack of newspaper. 报纸。
报纸。
报纸 ，OK， 报纸 ，That's newspaper. 其实像我们做这一行的啊，常常要看很多报纸，对不对？一份不够，两份也不够，
那来个
3
份
，3份好了，对，都通常要看3份。我每天看3份报纸。
爱当日看3份报纸。
看3份报纸 ，OK, that means I read 3 different newspaper every day.
那海陆腔的报纸，报纸。
Oh, okay. Here's a different dialect because there are so many different dialects in Hakka to say newspaper.
报纸。
报，刚刚被报下面好像咬到舌头了，报的。好，
一个是报纸，
对，
报纸。
报纸。还有什么东西跟纸有关系呢？卫生纸 which is tissue paper, okay? It could be toilet paper, it could be regular tissue paper. It's all called 卫生纸。
卫生纸。
卫生纸 ，OK， 其实卫生纸有时候买起来也很贵哦，所以超市有在打折，要赶快去。
Okay.
All right, so let's teach you how to say the supermarket is having discount on tissue paper.
超市卫生纸的给打折。
超市卫生纸的给打折 ，That's tissue paper is on sale. Okay, let's do another term. 纸还有什么？有一个纸杯。paper cups.
纸笔。
纸笔。Okay, that sounds very cute. 纸笔 ，That's paper cups. Paper cup 这种东西其实还是少用哦，尽量不要用纸杯，为了环保嘛哈。尽量莫用纸笔。纸笔尽量不用就对了。
对，
再讲一次，尽
量莫用纸笔。
尽量莫用纸笔。All right, that means try not to use paper cup. Let's go ahead and review these terms. Newspaper, 报纸。
报纸。
And then we got the tissue paper, 卫生纸。
卫生纸。
And finally, paper cups, 纸杯。
纸笔。
There you have it. It's today's practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺自say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.